Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iMessage not delivered in iOS 15. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. iMessage turn off and turn on. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap messages, turn off iMessage, then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Then go back setting page. Enable airplane mode, then wait for few seconds and disable it. Tip number 2. Sign out and sign in back Apple ID. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Apple ID. Scroll down. Tap sign out. Enter your Apple ID password. Tap turn off. Tap sign out. Again sign out. Apple ID sign in back. Tip number 3. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Setting page. Scroll down. Tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down. Tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset. Tap reset network setting. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.